Everyone tells you the first rule of investing is to never lose money. It sounds intelligent, responsible, and safe. It sounds like advice only smart investors follow. But here's the uncomfortable truth: if you actually try to follow that rule, you will never build meaningful wealth. In fact, this single idea has silently damaged more portfolios than market crashes, recessions, or bad stock picks ever did. Because think about it, if never lose money was real advice, the richest investors in the world would never experience declines. Their portfolios would move in straight lines upward. But that's not reality. Every successful investor, without exception, has gone through periods where their investments were down, sometimes sharply. So the real question isn't why markets fall. The real question is why this rule keeps getting repeated when it clearly doesn't work the way people think it does. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this rule is misleading, what it actually means, and the one mindset shift that separates people who build long-term wealth from those who stay stuck for decades. Before we go further, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this is real investing knowledge, not hype. And subscribe, because if you misunderstand this one idea, every investing strategy you learn later will quietly fail. This rule is almost always linked to Warren Buffett. It appears in books, interviews, social media posts, and finance videos everywhere. But most people hear it without any context. They interpret never lose money as avoid risk at all costs. Sell when prices drop. Wait until the market feels safe. Only invest when you're absolutely sure nothing can go wrong. And that misunderstanding is where the real damage begins. Here's the reality no one likes to say out loud. Losing money is unavoidable in investing. Markets move in cycles. Stocks rise and fall. Indexes crash and recover. Whether you invest in Indian stocks, US equities, mutual funds, ETFs, or global markets, downturns are not a possibility, they are guaranteed. If you try to avoid every loss, the only place left to put your money is cash. And even then, inflation quietly destroys your purchasing power year after year. So even when you think you're not losing, you actually are. This rule trains investors to fear temporary losses more than permanent mistakes. When markets fall, fear takes over. People panic. They sell strong businesses at the worst possible time. They exit long-term investments because prices are down today, without realizing that long-term wealth is built by staying invested through uncomfortable periods. They then wait on the sidelines for certainty, while markets recover without them. Ironically, the obsession with never losing money is exactly what causes most people to lose money. Even the world's best investors experience massive drawdowns. Warren Buffett himself has seen his portfolio drop by tens of billions of dollars during market crashes. During global crises, recessions, and market panics, his investments went down just like everyone else's. The difference is not that he avoids losses. The difference is that he understands them. He knows the difference between short-term volatility and permanent capital destruction. When Buffett talked about not losing money, he was not talking about daily price movements. He was talking about behavior. He was talking about discipline. He was talking about avoiding stupid, irreversible decisions. Don't gamble. Don't chase hype. Don't invest in things you don't understand. Don't borrow money you can't afford to lose. Don't invest funds you'll need in the near future. Temporary losses are normal. Permanent loss happens when emotion replaces logic. So here's the real first rule of investing that actually works across all markets and countries. Learn how to lose money the right way. Lose temporarily, not permanently. Take calculated risk, not blind risk. Understand what you own and why you own it. Stay invested when fear is high, not when everything feels comfortable. Volatility is not a flaw in investing, it is the price you pay for long-term returns. Without volatility, there is no opportunity. Every successful investor, whether in India, the United States, or anywhere else in the world, has losses in their journey. The difference is they don't let those losses control their behavior. They don't confuse market noise with real risk. They don't react emotionally to headlines, social media, or short-term price movements. They understand that patience, discipline, and time are far more powerful than trying to be right all the time. The biggest lie in investing isn't about stocks, markets, or strategies. It's about mindset. Trying to avoid all losses will keep you stuck forever. Learning how risk actually works, accepting short-term discomfort, and staying disciplined through uncertainty can completely change your financial future. If this video changed the way you think about investing, hit the like button so more people can see the truth. Subscribe for honest finance content without hype or false promises. And comment below, what is the biggest investing myth you believed before today?